Hello, my friends. I am excited to share these items with you today. But before I even show you the newest items, you can now get the message in a bottle dies on our website. So we release these to our Die Hard Club members at the first of the month, but everybody else has to wait till the 20th. So that's another reason you want to be in the Die Hard Club. But if you're not in the Die Hard Club, now you can get those dies that match. So let's jump in and look at all of the new fun things that we have today. Number one, we got to start with this one. It's a new Flip It! Yay! You know I love my Flip Its. Let me just tell you, I love Flip Its. And this one is so fun. It does come with the words, you're one of a kind. You're a one of a kind friend. Look at that. So much fun. And it does come with other words as well. It comes with the layering dies. It comes with the words big and hugs and this fun swirl. So I have lots of samples to share with you on that one. Another item that's brand new today is our doggy in a teacup. As you all know, or a lot of you do know, I got a new puppy and I'm all about the puppies right now. And the puppy in the teacup is just perfect for me. So I absolutely love that. And last but not least it is almost graduation time. We need to get ready for that. So this set is a congratulations Slimline Fold It. Now, this is fantastic because number one, it does fit on regular big card Slimline, but you can use it separately as well. It also comes with a ton of stars and even a little graduation hat. But it could be used for any time, congratulations, right? And I have lots of samples to share with you. Let's jump in and look at first this cute little stuffy that Michelle made of our little doggy in the teacup. So adorable. I love these. They're so much fun. She also made a cute little pillow. Congratulations. Isn't that adorable? All of our wool felt on our website is die cuttable. So you can die cut them and make gorgeous creations like this. Now let's jump in and look at some card samples. Here is one of those fun, fun Flip It cards. Are you ready? Are you ready? The big hugs. The word big is included. I love it. Here's another one. You're a one-of-a-kind friend. Look at that. That beautiful swirl is included in the die set as well. Or you could just use the word hugs by itself. That is included in this die set for the Flip It card, which is really fun. Now let's look at some congratulations. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Now you could use these in the school colors. So if it is a graduation card, you could make it in the school colors, which makes it even more fun, right? Look how cute that is. Congratulations. I love it. Two different ways to use it. Here it is again on a scalloped Slimline card base. So here it is on a scalloped Slimline. Here it is on a regular Slimline. So fun. And the best part about Slimlines is they fit in a standard business envelope. Yay, so simple. Ooh, okay, this is mine. Look at that. I love that one. That is gorgeous, Yvette. I love all that fun glitter. So beautiful. Write your message in there. That's on the decal edge card base. Here's another one. Congratulations, all by itself. I love that. Now let's look at some more Flip It cards. Here we go. Delightful Flip It. Are we ready? Look at those fun bees just flying by. So easy when you use pattern paper, right? So simple. It makes life so easy. Ooh, you could use our cute little apron on there. On the inside, you're a one-of-a-kind friend. I love it. Ooh, here's another one. You're a one-of-a-kind friend. Hugs, big hugs. I love it. Now let's look at some more doggies in a teacup because let me tell you, it's all about the puppies, right? We love puppies. And here are three samples, let's make some room, which I absolutely love because they're all similar, but very, very different. Changing the color of your cardstock, the color of your teacup, and it makes a totally different card each and every time. So club members, I know you know 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. If you're not in a club, you can be in a club for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month sent to you. That includes it. Then you get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Yes, you can buy at regular price. Our prices are very, very reasonable. But if you want to have a sale every single day, go check it out, stampsoflife.com, and click on Join the Club and check out that video. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.